unfortunate accident.
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Ready for me. All right. All right, well, what I can tell you is that it's quiet in here. Everybody's gone. It's Thursday, so it's really Friday for the guys. Anyhow, I stopped up here. I'm gonna show you what's what. So Zach's got the hinges in for the hood. So that means big things. That hood goes on there and can't wait to see that. Anyhow, I'm gonna climb down here and see if we can see. And there it is. So we got the e-brake hooked up. Got that all situated. Zack was down in the paint booth today. Did a spray out. But we went and picked a color to match the carpet because the pieces are over here. These ones are over here. So Jeff made these yesterday. They are a trim piece for the front piece of carpet where it connects to the back piece. There is a step up in the floor of the 52 Ford. And this piece here, looking fabulous. It is the seat mount or brace, if you will, for the front seats. And that's sitting down next to the carpet, and I might say that looks fabulous. These pieces of carpet here are the front kick panels. Got those covered. So we're just buttoning up some odds and ends because this baby is going to Matt. I'm not sure when. I would say Monday or Tuesday of next week. And he is going to start with the interior on his end. So, coolio.
Oh, that's not tight.
Yeah, it's fun.
You know, they've had that air conditioner in there when the truck was built, so I don't know why they made them hinges so tight. Scissors.
that becoming one of your favorite tools? We've used quite a few of them this time around.
Yeah, that's handy.
Got the glass in on the first shot. We'll take it.
We did have one unfortunate accident. So we have one of those being cut. We do have one of the side windows. Hopefully, when Jeff went to have the new glass cut, there's more of the other glass done. But yeah, it's been a process. Kind of bizarre, kind of weird, but we're getting it done. Hopefully it'll be done by tomorrow afternoon, and then I believe this baby goes to RAGZ. So I've been told we're gonna ride in this vehicle to RAGZ. I feel like I might ride in my car and just video. I don't know, haven't decided, but just wanted to give you an update. That looks like a really good place for a Legendary Customs sticker. Right? Right?
What's your plastic or something? This one is getting the Kenwood 6x9, great sounding speaker. Front and rear, the fronts are what? 4.5, 5 inch?
There.
I don't know. 5.25 inch. We had 4 inch at first, and he said those wouldn't sound good. So he said you should step up to this. And we had the room for it, so it worked. inside the truck. What can we just set these up?
Yeah, let's throw them right back there.
Do it real quick. Don't worry, I will not slip my wrist. I'm happy with this.
I turned the music off because otherwise it would
Nice. That's slick.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, we're up here at RAGZ in Holman, Wisconsin. If you ever need an interior done for a hot rod or boats, he does all the interiors for boats. And I got a tip for you guys out there. If you want your boat to have anything refinished, the best months in the world to have that done is September, October, November, December, January, February, March. You don't need the boat? He'll do it for you. Don't do it in July and August and September like everybody else. Anyway, these seats, they finished quite a while ago. These are original 1950s seats. And the color that Chris and Jody picked out is cinnamon, is perfect. With the light finish next to it, this is gonna rock. Now, the main objective with these was to keep it simple, keep it looking original, and I would say that's exactly what was accomplished. So, long and short, we're up here showing you their brand new shop. They have been in here. How long have you been up and running?
About five months now, I think.
5 months.
Since February, so yeah, about 4 or 5 months.
Okay.
Been here and going, so.
So 4 or 5 months they've been in their new shop, and it's already outgrown, yes?
Yeah. Yeah, it's time to clean up the next bay and get over there too.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, guess what? At least you have the space to do it,
Exactly. Good problems too.
right?
The biggest conflict I have is recommending these guys to do work for other people, because that means it takes their time away from what I bring in. But I will say without doubt, this is a great place to have your hot rod work done. I've seen boats in here for covers, for seats to be redone. They do an awesome job on all that. So they're a hidden gem. Don't seek them out too much because they're mine. Anyway,
Goof.
we will be doing updates on this. But they've done work for us all the way since 2018. I think that was their second project with us. So, anyway, this is here. So this is what's next. Putting everything together. Got the sides, speakers, front kick panel, rear. Carpet is templated, hopefully to the degree that they need it, and ready to rock and roll. Keep watching. The next step in this evolution is interior install, which is going to be a huge, huge, huge step towards completion. It's gonna rock. Keep watching.